Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Great, great, great. So, do you know what a demigod is? Half God. So, you're asking what part of Maui was a demigod, or how did you become a demigod? His strength. Hercules has strength. Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, so Zeus gave birth. Zeus had a relationship with a human, right? Produced Hercules. Hercules' strength was he had a lot of mana, a lot of power, right? So how you're asking how Maui became a demigod? Ina, which is the goddess of the moon goddess, the goddess of all things feminine, was the mother of Ina. Ina is a goddess. She had a relationship with a human being on the east end of Maui.
Sure.
I'll tell you on my story.
So, just right here.
Maybe go against the railing so I can get them out of your picture. You can get the sun behind of you guys. Wait, let me just get, I want to hide the sun behind of your head. And then I'm going to put it in the picture. And put it this way. Good enough? We'll take more pictures at the next stop. The next stop is going to be Kalahapa on the opposite end. Right now, you can see the profile of Maui the demigod. Eye frame, nose, and the mouth. When you go to the other side, it's Kalahapu. It becomes three different structure of the mountain. Right there. So, if you take a look straight ahead. It's the side profile of Maui the demigod. So side profile. So,
Right there.
are you mom?
Yeah.
You look right here. You look at her face. No. You see this eye frame? So it's gonna be the eye frame, the nose, and the mouth. Same as the mouth in there. So you can see it in if you open your mind, the eye frame, the nose, and the mouth.
He's like this.
Yeah. Supposed to be looking at the Great Dipper or the Big Dipper.
Wow.
And Naikupa'a travels all the way across.
Wait, how do you see it?
Do you see it? See, it's like a face right there.
Yeah, you have to open your mind. It's a silhouette of a profile.
His chin.
Oh, yeah.
So if you would have like put your face on a paper, trace your face, sliders, it'll look like that. Yeah. Yes. I'll explain. That's great questions. I'll explain all of that. I'm gonna try to see to the best of my ability to make it as good as possible. But then the only way you can actually receive this type of information is you believe in it. Right? So I'll break it down and give you guys a good structure for it.
Wait, technically, the sun never arrived because it was the Earth.
Money, technology,